If you love how this wall looks, keep on watching so you can see how exactly I painted this wall myself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys how exactly I painted this wall. It was plain at first and I wanted to match it to the other wall that I did, which you just saw a glimpse of. So in this video, you guys will get to see exactly each step on how I actually painted the wall myself. So I did cover, my carpet and all that. This is the paint that I use. Make sure you always, stir up your paint when you get it. Even if it comes shaken up, still stir it so you can get the actual true best color and pigmentation out of your paint. So, I taped up my walls, you guys. I started with the brush to get the edges of the wall. Using a good angle brush definitely helped me with getting, the edges of the wall. So you can see me doing that here. And the design I'm going for is just half of the wall. So I wanted it to be just the half black and the half white to match the other triangle wall that I had painted on the other side of my room. So it turns out really, really nice. Just keep on watching because y'all got to see how it really, really turned out in the end. One key I definitely want to say is make sure you double tape. You can never tape enough to make sure that you do not get paint where you do not want it to go on your walls. So just from experience, I made sure I put one line of tape and then I put an extra line of tape on it as well. Just expand the area that was taped because sometimes we can get really fast with it. We on a good roll and then we get the swiping and it swipes somewhere we don't want to swipe. So having extra tape and plastic around on your floors and on your walls and stuff like that, your furniture, is highly recommended. Do not try to paint how y'all be seeing people sometimes paint online with no type of coverage over their furniture and floors. That is not the way you want to do this, y'all. So this is actually my first time using a roller brush, or roller I should say, to paint the wall. And it actually turned out really, really nice. It made it so much easier. I would be a fool to try to paint a wall with a brush, the entire wall with a brush. So that is not what's happening. I've never seen anyone do that before. This brush, I'm sorry, I keep saying brush. This roller I actually got from Home Depot as well, and the stick as well. So I'll link it down so you guys see exactly the materials that I did use. I'll link the brushes as well. So, but as you can see, the roller actually does just roll and glides very easily. And I was able to get really good coverage super fast with this roller. So definitely use a roller, you guys, and use a good one. This one was, I think, a microfiber. No, you know what? Don't listen to that. I'm going to actually put in the bottom and description exactly what roller I used. And I did about 3 coats on the wall of this color. And basically after about 30 minutes, I would just do the next coats. So I know some of the cans say give it an hour or more longer before you do your second coat, but this paint actually dried really, really fast, which I really, really like. And it was a really high quality paint as well. I told y'all the can, but I'll again link in the description box because this one I actually got from, I think I got it from Sherwin-Williams or it's Home Depot, whichever one. I'll make sure I link it down below for you guys. But the paint dries fast. It gives great coverage. I mean, from the very first coat I put on the wall, it literally covered the wall really great. So you don't have to really do too many coats of this. And of course, I didn't prime anything. Usually, I don't see people really prime walls before they do them. Some people do, but it's not really recommended for this paint. You don't have to because it gives great coverage. The color is super popping and it dries really quickly. And another tip, so make sure your walls are clean. Dust your walls. That is something that you need to do because number one, if you have lint or dust, whatever it is, it will definitely show through the paint and you don't want it to dry, seeing those things come through the paint. Black paint, you'll definitely see it. So definitely, you guys wipe your walls down, dust them down. I definitely did that. I still saw a few things like pop through the paint. Some of it was like paint bubbles, but you'll see me like kind of wipe it off and then re-roll the paint roller over it. So, give it a nice seamless and smooth look. But once they dried for probably like, I'm going to say 30 minutes. I don't wait too long. I took the actual tape off. You don't want to wait too long to take the tape off, and you don't want to do it too soon either. So a good 30 minutes I did. And look at this clean line I got, y'all. It's super duper clean. Oh my gosh, I was so impressed. And here y'all get to see exactly what the design I was trying to go for with the whole triangle type of effect. So this is before I had got my brand new TV stand, and we put a plant up. I got some new, decor in there, rugs and all of that, my pillows, all that. So y'all can see exactly how it all came together. I even added the gold strip. So if you see in the beginning, I did not have that on there. This gold strip I got off Amazon. I'll link it down below. It looks amazing, y'all. I use this in my office as well. So I'm gonna show y'all my home office too, how I did the wall. But this joint looks so nice. It brought my black, white, and gold design all together. So I say all this to say, if you want to do something in your home, don't want to maybe, pay, and you want to save some money, or you just think you can do it, go ahead and do it. Have confidence. Do not be afraid, and be in your own head. Sometimes we gotta get our own way. This looks amazing. I'm proud of myself. I know y'all can do it as well. Everything I'll use be linked in the description box. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video because I have so much more.